Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here once again at the Spotify Camp Nou with another fresh construction update. And today's progress across the stadium is truly impressive. From the ceramic facade to the lateral stand, the north and south goals, there's a lot happening, so let's jump straight into it. The biggest highlight today is the rapid rise of the ceramic decorative façade. More of the new louvres have been installed, and the stadium is finally starting to reveal the design we've been waiting for. Even with just a partial section completed, the effect is already stunning. These ceramic pieces arrive from Portugal, get assembled in A Coruña, and are being installed here section by section. Depending on the angle and sunlight, the colors shift beautifully, exactly the visual effect the architects intended. Right next to this area, the entrance and exit of the parking zone near the south goal and lateral stand corner are now fully recognizable. As the structure gains height, the outline of the future stadium becomes clearer every day. It won't be long before we see the ceramic pieces extending all the way up through the first terrace, giving us our first complete vertical sample. Down at the lateral stand, the underground parking continues to advance with steady progress. Workers are leveling the floors, preparing new surfaces, and getting everything ready for upcoming concrete pours. This entire area is moving forward piece by piece, and it's becoming easier to visualize how the lower-level parking will operate once it opens. As we move toward the north goal, we pass the famous diamond corner between the north goal and the lateral stand. We also see the access route that fans used last Saturday to enter the lateral stand. Approaching the north goal entrance, we get a clear view of almost the entire structure. The target is to open both the first and second tiers by late December or early January. On the higher levels, reinforcement continues on the third terrace slabs, suggesting that future installations will require additional structural strength. Before heading to the south goal, we walk through the asymmetrical section of the original stadium between the north goal tribune and south goal tribune corners. At the tribune, the giant diamond-shaped facade structure, which will eventually become the official store, is still waiting for its large glass panels to arrive. Inside, the first segment of the new escalators leading up to the museum has already been installed. The next section will eventually take visitors to the main museum level, giving us a glimpse of how the future circulation inside the stadium will work. We finish at the south goal, where Access Phi and W are already fully prepared for fan use, while Access X remains dedicated to vehicles. Behind the south goal, the commercial strip is taking shape with multiple store units already in place. Once the temporary barriers are removed, this entire area will be fully open to pedestrian traffic. From the elevated platform, the progress looks even more striking. The south goal facade, the esplanade, the commercial units, and the lateral stand entrances all show visible daily improvements. The first VIP ring is being closed. More slabs around the stadium have been concreted, and level 0.5 continues to wrap around the entire perimeter. The metal framing for the ceramic facade also keeps expanding across all three terraces. And that wraps up today's construction update here at the Spotify Camp Nou. As always, there's non-stop progress, and every visit brings something new to uncover. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep following this massive transformation step by step, make sure to like the video, subscribe to MegaVerse Builds, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.